Hello, SOL and SOR PE scholars. It's me, Magister Beck. Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, on campus have been playing a lot of Foursquare with the scholars. So I thought I would just share in this video a website. You guys can go pause it or go slower and read through this because I'll scroll through the whole website. Otherwise, you can just go to square4.org by yourself and look at all the information. But I'll just scroll down through some of this stuff, guys, and you guys can pause it and read about all the rules. Lots of you guys know there's always 4 squares because that's the name of the game. And here, instead of saying like king, queen, jack, and 10 or whatever, some people just number it 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1 serves to the lowest spot, which is the 4. And you can read the rules here. It says outside lines are inbounds, inside lines are out of bounds. And serving the ball underhand, it only can bounce in your square once, otherwise you are out or eliminated. And there you go, scholars. If you guys are distance learning, maybe you can find some kind of a bouncy ball. If you don't have a playground ball, you can use a soccer ball or basketball or any ball that kind of bounces, and maybe do this with your friends and family members. But again, here are the rules, the official rules. I know each school and each teacher maybe teaches it a hair bit different, but this website shows the official rules for Foursquare. Hope you guys have fun with it this week. Keep on turning in those activity logs. This would be a great activity for you and your family to participate in. But hope you guys have a fantastic week. We only have 3 more weeks left of school. So summer's almost here, guys. Have a great weekend and have a great week, scholars. Talk to you later.